We're in Boston for a few days and we're staying at the Dagny Hotel, which is downtown but also close to the seaport area as well. And we're going to see what it's like for families, so come with us. Just checked into our King Suite here at the Dagny in Boston, and I'm just going to give you a quick room tour. So this is a lovely size of room, it's almost like an apartment. So we have a dining area here. It's great for families with the space that it offers. So we have Interconnecting on this side. Great views of Boston. Large flat screen TV. I like the decor in the rooms as well. It's like Art Deco-y and keeping with this 1920s theme. Again, I like the attention to detail on the artwork and some nice modest bedside lighting. I like these robes, so during your stay you can use these while you're here, or if you want to take home they are $100. And we do have an ironing board, luggage rack, and I thought this was a good idea. They have an umbrella, so today is raining, so this might be something we would use. So this is free to use during your stay, but if you want to purchase it you can. The bathroom area is very nice, very modern. Got some scales, and inside the drawers here is additional toiletries. You've got a dental kit, shave kit, and a shower cap. Nice caps. I like this as well, the makeup sponge. Some more vanity supplies. And mirror. And we've got some more artwork here. The shower is nice. Marble design with black, and the toiletries are fixed to the wall. So we have a wet bar area here. So you've got your coffee machine, espresso, ice bucket, complimentary waters. I like the camera. Desk area. And the views over Boston are lovely. We'll have to film it again on a sunny day. This is today's weather. And you are about 15-20 minutes from the airport, depending on the traffic. And I do like the wallpaper. So this is the interconnecting room, which goes into a superior double queen. So we have two teenagers. And again, you have the same artwork as in the other room. Very in keeping with the Art Deco theme. And also another full-length mirror. Some more artwork here. Still not finished unpacking yet. So you have the same facilities here. You have seam iron, extra bedding, pillows, use of the robes, luggage rack. And this is the other bathroom, which is the same. So this is the end of our stay at the Dagny in Boston. We've had a really good time here. What I think made this holiday was having the King Suite, so that was having the King room, the double queen room, and the living kitchen area. It gave us all the space that we needed, and we had great views of the city of Boston. We've had lots of fun here. Would you agree?
Yeah.
We're close proximity to most of the main attractions, and I'd say it's a great choice for families for accessing the city when they come to visit. So if you like this video, subscribe below, and we'll see you next time. Bye!